In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add DVC card to Apple Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your DVC card attached to a digital wallet. In this specific video, I'm going to be talking about the Apple Wallet, but this should work for other digital wallets as well. So first, you need to confirm that your membership is linked to your Disney account. To do this, open the My Disney Experience application, and in there, select the three dots at the bottom right-hand corner. Scroll down, go over to My Profile, Memberships and Passes, and in there, you will be able to see if everything is properly linked into your account. If you notice that the DVC membership is missing, you will need to link your membership on the DVC website or contact Disney. As long as you go over to Memberships and Passes and you see it there, you will be good to go. Next, confirm your phone number and see if it is verified. You will be able to once again go over to the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, go over to My Profile, and instead of going to Membership and Cards, access Account Settings. In there, you will be able to see if the phone number is verified. Now, first, generate your digital DVC card. On the Disney Experience app, tap on the icon with the three dots once more, go over to Disney Magic Mobile, and scroll down to set up your pass. On this screen, you will be able to choose the accounts that you want to generate a pass for, and your own account will already be checked, so make sure to add any other Disney accounts that you manage. You will be able to change the pass style, but this is optional. As soon as you are done with this process, you will be able to tap the Add to Apple Wallet button. Immediately upon doing this, the digital card will be generated. You will be immediately redirected into the Apple Wallet application with all of the details about the card automatically set up for you. You will be able to read through tips, and once this is done, you can now use the Apple Wallet to manage the DVC card. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a DVC card to Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.